CHMS, Cattle Health Monitoring Solution, is a cloud-based health monitoring solution for dairy cows which improves the efficiency of farm breeding programs and reduces healthcare costs through early illness detection. Unlike heat detection products with only monitor activity, CHMS self-monitoring solution uses a revolutionary new approach combining gesture recognition and multimetric analysis to deliver accurate, reliable, and timely heat and health alerts. Every million seconds, the cow behavior is monitored by a smart collar to determine optimum insemination time, cow health status, lameness, and heat stress. Gesture recognition algorithm records whether or not the cow is feeding, lying down, standing up, standing, mounting, sniffing, licking, chin resting, lying down, lying, headbutting, and other behaviors. Cattle Health Monitoring Solution works in gesture, indoor as well as outdoor, and Gateway receives the data recognition from the cow and sends it to Cattle Health Monitoring Solution analytical engine on the cloud via internet. Here, we conduct multimetric analysis looking at things like this sequence of the gesture, the pattern of gesture throughout the day between the gestures, what the cow normal behavior pattern is, how the cow compares to over a period of time, and indeed how she compares with the rest of the herd, and much more. Following a multimetric analysis, if a cow is identified as being in heat cystic anostrus or unwell, an alert will be sent to a farm management by a text message or Cattle Health Monitoring Solution app. Cattle Health Monitoring Solution is a cloud-based technology and as such can be accessed anywhere in the world. At last, a single metric such as activity might have been good enough years ago. Just like the phone technology has moved on, the revolutionary new approach of conducting a multimetric analysis have given Cattle Health Monitoring Solution unique ability to work out accurately the health and reproductive status of each cow, enabling Cattle Health Monitoring Solution to become the most advanced heat detection and health monitoring solution in the world today. Get the insight of your cattle with Cattle Health Monitoring Solution, a product of FlixDrop Technology, which specializes on animal health monitoring solutions. FlixDrop, CHMS, Cattle Health Monitoring Solution. A product of FlixDrop Technology Private Limited, www.flixdrop.com. You may reach us for more information. Email cattlealert@gmail.com, info@flixdrop.com. Contact number +91 900 836 3621 or +91 80 4110 1508.